And the story there, eyes on Maraga as Raila puts off swearing in fit. Now, 6 judges today are expected to give detailed judgment on their verdict to uphold Uhuru's re-election, even as NASA cancels Raila's planned oath-taking. And this is where I come to you, Joe. Law experts want the presidential petition to be, the framework to be changed. What are your thoughts on this?
Yeah, thank you for hosting
Yes.
me, Ashley. Actually, according to our constitution, Article 140, Section 1 talks about any person may file a petition to the Supreme Court challenging the declaration of a president-elect.
All right, we have a challenge with your mic, but as we wait for it to be fixed, the story there is on page 5 and 7, and basically top court explains decision on Uhuru's win. Now, circumstances requiring fresh nomination of presidential candidates, implication of withdrawal of a candidate before a repeat vote and vote boycott in certain areas where issues Supreme Court judges will settle today to guide future elections. Now, if you need more on those, on that story, you can just get your copy of the Saturday Standard. Now on